Hello. It's Monday, November 7th. The day after daylight savings. It's like Y2K all over again. Everything's busted. I hit go live and the OBS crashes. And then I restart the stream and then my sound doesn't work. So hopefully everyone hears me. The little green bar is moving in OBS, so I feel like it's accurate. But hopefully I'm coming across. My alter ego, let's go. You're here first. You're absolutely first on Twitch. Orphanougat, Andrew, Guy Valor, Joe, Dark Horse, Kilgory. Hello. Just too nasty. Y2K do over Aliens Incoming? I hope so. That was a good movie with Will Smith. Which one was that one? Independence Day. That was a good film. I enjoyed. Playing COD. Hey, Rizzle207 is now following. Wow, right off the bat. We got a new follower. Are you here for programming or are you here for gaming? Because we're going to take a poll. We're going to see what people want me to do. There's lots to work on the website. But I also enjoy some pew-pew time. Ultima Outlands. You're at work, but you're here. Oh, hello. Hopefully work goes by amazingly. My work has not been fun lately. For like the past 3 years. LOL. All right. Let's see if the camera works. It worked. Treasure Goblin bot by Jaseowns. Look at that. I already even set up the stream. Boom. Because if we were going to play, you know, I'm on the character. But if we were going to do like a little bit of website work, maybe. You never really know. Let me see if that actually loads correctly. Let me see. Let me take a selfie. Is it gonna load? Boom. Okay, so look, local host. So here's the local version of RazorScripts.com. I need to learn how to like make a database backup from the production to my dev. That way I actually have real data. Because look at this one. How to check for disease. If find bus diseased. Is that real? Fix JBot. We gotta do fix JBot too. Everything's busted around here. Anyway, as you know, on a JSON stream, anything we do will be posted to the RazorScripts website. Even maybe the code that runs RazorScripts.com. We're up to 268 scripts. Not bad. To the people that keep using Ultimate in their name when they add a new script, stop it. Those are mine. Bionic. Stop stealing my name. Ultimate. It's okay. Ultimate Archer Summoner Auto Script is up by Bionic. I haven't tried it. Thormac. How's it going, Jace? It's going great. It's a lovely Monday. You know, the stream didn't crash at all when I first hit start. Everything is wonky because there's a full blood moon lunar eclipse coming. Kind of cool. Oh shit. I might turn into a werewolf. Anyway, so you guys, we can pick to, you know, edit the website a little bit, or we can just play the game. You guys tell me what you want to do. Let's go 1 in the chat if you want to work on the website, 2 in the chat if you want to play the game, and then 3 in the chat if you want to do something else. Like maybe we could play League of Legends or something. I don't know. Boo Whip, this is not a rare stream, this is the normal schedule. However, last Monday was a Halloween. So I had Halloween off because I have children. And then Wednesday, I was in charge of the 3-year-old, while the bigger kids went to a opera. And I was gonna stream, but the baby had other plans. And I call her a baby, because she's the small one. We have our first vote for 2. So Rizzle is the one that just followed, and the one that is actually participating in the question that I asked. Great job, Rizzle. Community VIP. Script Daddy, can you write me a script to beg from an NPC if I'm within 2 spaces? Yes. Let's do it. We have a vote for 2, and we have a script request. We're hopping in the game. Pretend there's a transition here. Alright, this character's not a beggar. Do I need to be a beggar? I don't think so. Let's just do it. To Prevalia. You just got back in Outlands and have been digging through the scripts. Awesome. Welcome back, man. It's like crack cocaine. You can't really escape. You might join AA, but eventually we'll get you. Wait, is that... Well, AA is alcohol. What's the version of drugs? Like AA is alcohol, right? NA? North America? But can you make the script work like just wandering around? Absolutely. Holy shit, I just got spammed by a bunch of messages. What happened? You know what? I was looking at the wrong window. You guys were all responding to me and I wasn't even paying attention. Did you guys see the screen flood? Because I was looking at the screen version of chat, not the actual chat. So we got a 2, we got 1, 1, 1. So we got multiple 1s, holy shit. So we got, let's see, 4, we got 420, Steamer Choice, I like that. Script Daddy website, Nicole said website. Welcome, Nicole. Narcanon. Is that real? Narcotics Anonymous, I see. Okay, so your YouTube chat ain't working well. Yeah, apparently the combined view was not happy. So now I have both views up so I can accurately read the chat. Sorry about that. Well shit, let's do the script for the begging and then we'll hop onto the website. Because I can't take back now, even though obviously you guys see that I don't know what's going on a Monday. We're gonna say new script and we're gonna call this one Ultimate Beggar. And if someone takes that name, I'm gonna be upset. We want to walk around and beg. If we beg, we need to move on. You can only beg on one person, right? Like you can't multi-beg. We're gonna find out. Should I be on a character that has begging? Because I'm never gonna succeed with 0. Son of a bitch. Let's log into a character that has begging. JC. This was my fisher guy that I was gonna turn into a boater. And I never did. But I have 106.8 begging on this bad boy. So let's make the ultimate begging script. Okay, so we want to walk around and beg, and if we beg someone, move on. So basically, we're gonna do like target closest NPC. If into range, beg. This is called pseudocode, by the way. This isn't real code, but this will get us started. So we want to target the closest. If we're in 2 range, beg. If beg, success, add ignore. Else, keep trying. And we'll also need to check for line of sight. Does that sound good? That sounds great, Jace. Here we go. Let's make it happen. How do we know which hotkey we can use? We can go over to hotkeys and filter it down to target closest Is it innocent monster? Innocent monster? I wonder if you lose karma IRL for begging. No, you don't. You actually, you gain charisma, I think. Or maybe it's a charisma check. Merlitz. Yo, Merlitz. So we're gonna hotkey target closest innocent monster. I'm just gonna run this and see what happens. I'm gonna bind this to B for begging. That makes sense. So B. Nobody matches our screen. That's fine. We're gonna hit B again. Nobody matches. So it's not innocent monster. What the hell is an NPC called? Target closest. Is it just monster? Friendly monster? We'll try that. Merlit's double dipping. Yo Jace on Twitch, yo Jace on YouTube. Okay, there we go. No, that's a horse. Is it humanoid? Why don't I look and see what we did for our the script that we did to look for vendors, because that's probably gonna help us. I hear the kids yelling at each other. What did we do to target the nearest? Next monster target. Let's see. Ultimate beggar. Hockey, target, next monster. Save play. A dog. Gretchen, there we go. We did it. Merlitz, high script daddy. With the $5. An alert should appear, but apparently my computer lags. Thank you, Merlitz. And hello.
Toll is a toll.
There it goes.
A roll is a roll. And if we don't get no tolls, then we don't eat no rolls.
Hi, script daddy.
Hello, script children. This is a Monday Madness stream. Okay, so we're trying to do an auto beggar script. So basically, we want to target the next monster, but really we can target closest monster, because that's a thing now. It used to not be a thing. So let's do that. We're gonna go over to hotkeys, and it's target closest monster. But maybe monster doesn't work. Target closest non-friendly monster. Target closest friendly monster. We're gonna try that. Target closest friendly monster. And we're gonna go step next to this person. And we're gonna hit B on our keyboard and hope for the best. All right, if I hit B, it targets a horse, great. If I hit B, it should target this salvageman. It doesn't though, why? As me with the jokes over here. How many hours does it take to write 10 lines of code now? 3. It takes 3 hours. Because I actually start writing this script and then I move on to something else because I see a squirrel. Squirrel. Why? Does anyone know why target next monster target works but not closest? Is there a closest monster? No, that's not a real script. I mean, next monster target definitely works, but I want it to be right next to me. You know, because now it's going to cycle everybody, which is okay. This quick script is going to end up being 4 streams, isn't it? Yeah, that's normally how it works. These are my estimates at work too. Somebody told me, like, you know, like work asked me, how long will this take? And I'll be like, well, it might take an hour. It might take 4 days. I'm not sure. And they're like, well, we need a better estimate. And so I say 4 days, and then they're like, well, it shouldn't take 4 days, right? It should be. And it's like, okay, then just tell me when you want it done. I'll try my best. So it's kind of the same way with these scripts, right? Like, this should be easy, but it's not always easy. So we'll stick with the next not monster target. I really wanted closest, but it's fine. We'll stick with it like this. And basically we want to check to see if our last target is in range. So we're going to set it as a variable because I don't like using last target everywhere. My target check, and we'll set that as last target. And so we'll say if find my target check of on the ground of any hue of any quantity within a range of 2, and if overhead I'm near this person. Else we'll just replay. Okay, so what should happen is it should keep cycling everybody and stop once we're near this person. I'm gonna hit B. Look at that. It cycled everyone and then it said I'm near this person and it stopped. We are making progress. Closest monster target. Yeah, that didn't work. And I'm really good at this. Thank you, David. Appreciate it. Jaseowns uses cable TV installation time measurement. It's so true. I will deliver my goods between the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Pimp Daddy cool. Jace, you're the man. Just want to let you know. Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Sometimes I feel like the script daddy. Other times, I'm a little bit upset. Just change the hue to match the NPC hue. Does the NPC hue always be similar? So that guy's hue is 1023. This guy's hue is 1042. I can't use hue. I could potentially use body type. 400 and 401. Interesting. Try nearest monster. So the problem with nearest monster, target closest. Let's just run these and see. No one was found. Enemy monster. No one was found. Closest friend. No one found. Closest friendly monster is a horse. Not my thing. Gray targeted a dog. Innocent monster is just a horse. Closest murder monster, nothing. And closest non-friendly monster is the dog. Closest friend not found. I found that. Son of a bitch. Yeah, we're definitely going to do a notoriety check here. So basically, we found the person that we're near, and then we're going to say if noto equals invulnerable. I don't know how to spell it. We're going to Google it real quick. We're going to head over to the UO Outlands website. We're going to hit the wiki up. It's under the RazorScripting. We're going to search for noto. And it's invulnerability. Invulnerability. This guy right here. If and it's not noto equals, it's noto of our my target check is invulnerable, and if I'm near this person and we can beg, else replay. Okay, now if I save and play this, and again it's bound to be, so we're gonna run over next to this dog, and it should find the dog, but keep running. So it's just spamming the shit out of the screen. We're gonna stand next to somebody, and it stopped. Whew. We just spammed the shit out of the screen. But it worked. So we're near somebody we can beg. So now we want to use the skill begging. Use skill begging, and then we'll wait for target a half a second, and then we'll target our bro. I'm gonna hit B. We begged. We got a little bit of gold. So I'm gonna hit B again. I have already given thee gold today. So now what we want to do is we want to make sure that we got gold, okay? Because once we get gold, we need to move on to the next target. Unfortunately, I don't think this is a system message. I'm going to do greater than system messages in the game. And unfortunately, I've spammed new target set so much, I think that's all I'm going to see. Whom do you wish to beg from? You have been given 5 gold. Let's see if you have given it actually pops a message. So we're going to say if in sys message you have been given, and if overhead we got the goods. Hopefully we see this in a nice blue color, that 88 color that I love. We're gonna hit save and play. We should see it just pop up because it's in our system queue. Hopefully. B. I think I saw blue text. We got the goods. Okay, and now it didn't say anything, okay? Which is great. So what we're gonna do is we want to use the skill begging, and obviously there's a timer on there. We're gonna have to figure out that timer. But basically we'll want to wait. We're gonna want to wait until we get a message back. We'll be lazy. We'll wait 2 seconds, and then we'll check if in sys message. We got the goods. Time to move on. Else, we'll rerun this guy. The timing for begging is 5 seconds. Thank you. So we'll wait for 5.5 seconds. We'll feel wild here. And actually, instead of waiting that full 5 seconds, we could just do a 410 and if, and then we'll wait 500 milliseconds there. And then if we have been given, we got the goods, move on. And if, and we can break out of that loop. Asmin, why don't you use true search just next to you instead of chords? True is like the old way to do it before Outlands like improved Razor. So before true would just check within 2 tiles near you and in your backpack. But now you actually have control of the source, the hue, the quantity, and the range. So true is no longer really what you want to do on Outlands. You want to be more source, hue, quantity, range. True still might work, but you might as well take advantage of the extra goodies that are available. We're gonna hit save and play. We got a target, which I don't want to stop the script, so I want to keep replaying. I'm just gonna hit replay it. I'm just gonna always replay. Save, play, P. Attempted to remove global scope line 30. What? Oops, end 4 over here, not end if. Alright, B. I'm near this person, we can beg. I have already given you gold today. Okay, so we're technically stuck by this guy. We want to ignore him now because we already got gold from him. So let's just make sure that we actually get the message we think we should get. I'm gonna hit B. And it got him there. Perfect. We got gold. But I didn't see it pop up the blue text. You have been given. I'm gonna stop the script if we get a successful message. Let's see. So I'm gonna hit B here. We're begging from that person. It's gonna keep trying because we don't actually get the system message. That's fine. We're gonna move next to this other person. We should bake on this person now. Okay, we got the goods. It's time to move on. The script stopped. Okay, that was great. So we're doing good. But now we want to ignore that person. Right? Because we don't want the target next monster to actually find them. So what I've learned is ignore monster doesn't work. Like if we were to say ignore these people, like if I just if I just say ignore this target check and I ignore everyone on the screen, it's gonna keep finding everybody no matter what. Like it's gonna go through them all again, right? In theory, Razor shouldn't find them again, but the way the targeting works, it doesn't actually look at the ignore. So some smarter people than I have figured out that you can actually use friends lists to avoid targeting something again. So we're going to try to learn about that together. I actually personally haven't done it, so we're going to try it together and we're going to see what happens. But basically, I'm going to click on friends and then I'm going to enable this. I'm going to click add and we're going to say ignore list. Or we'll say ignore NPCs. Ignore NPC. Okay, so right now we have this friends group called ignore NPCs. So if you go over to hotkeys, you can actually say friends, let's see, add. Where is it? Add to ignore list. Add to list, ignore NPCs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add target to ignore NPCs. And this is a hotkey that we can run. And when we do the check of the person, we'll add them to the list hotkey. And this should wait for target a half a second, and then we'll target the my target check. Okay, and we're gonna remove that regular ignore. But what we should see here is it should pop up and ask us who we want to ignore, and it should find everybody, and then it should start spamming us that it can't find anyone. If it works. Right, because there's no longer a next monster target because they're a friend. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. B. Look at, so they're already a friends list, which is great, I think. I don't know if that's working or not. If scripts here, or if you guys that are actually using a friends list are here, what am I doing wrong? Because technically it shouldn't find it with this next monster. Or maybe we just check to see if it's part of the friends list at that point. Does anyone use a friends list that's here in the chat? We've appropriately ignored these people. Oh, okay. Next previous target ignores friends. Let's click that. Boom. Free virtual girls chat in new city. You got that, guys? Hide the user on this channel. Farewell. Free girls in this city. I hardly knew ye. Okay, so maybe this is what I want. Maybe I want to enable this next previous ignores friends. Okay, I'm gonna hit save, I'm gonna hit play, we're gonna hit B. And hopefully... Amaranth is already in your ignore NPCs, which is true. Okay, so this, if I hit B here, we should see it didn't find anybody. No, what the hell? Yeah, no one matches on your screen. Perfect. Okay, so we technically only want to add to ignore NPCs after we successfully have begged. So we're gonna go ahead and add this hotkey here. And then we can continue to run because we don't care. So what happens is if we ignore the person we begged for, it should say that we need to move on. I'm near this person, we can beg. We got the goods, we need to move on. All right, here we go. So we're gonna hit save and play. Remember, this is bound to be. No one matches on our screen. That's perfect. It's spamming the shit out of us. There's somebody right there. We're gonna get close to him. It is working perfectly, in my opinion. I mean, the screen looks like it's spamming the shit out of the server right now. I'm sure we're gonna get banned, but real boo whip. Look at that. Are you not entertained? I'm near this person, we can beg. It's time to move on. Add Nori to ignore mobs. I'm convinced it's Nicole just trolling Jace like Superman, Clark Kent. They are never in the same place at the same time. That's true. Boom. I'm eager to learn what the -2 thing. So basically, you can go to the old website, and I have links to the documentation on the homepage. You can say !scripts in the chat. I'll go ahead and do that on Twitch. Boom. And if you click on the homepage there, you will see. Let me share my screen. I'm sorry. I clicked away. Boom. We want to pull up this. But basically on the homepage of the website, there's a link to the Razor Community Edition, which is just regular Razor. And then there's Razor Outlands specific, which is the wiki. So you click that. And then you could say find type here. Find type. I'm sorry, those are me. That's me, everybody. That's me not being able to type. Sorry, I'm making Windows noises. But anyway, you pass it the name or graphic, the source, the hue, the quantity, and the range. And then for the sources, you just want to search for source. And it's right here. There's ground, self, backpack. Those are the main ones. But you can also pass a container there. Hopefully that helps. What's the color code site you didn't see on Jaseowns? It's actually uo.jaseowns.com. And then you click the Razor hue list. I'll post that in the chat. But these are the best color, the 88 right there. That's the best color. 88 at all. I need to move this over to the regular, like just Razor website. That way people can find it better. I had a like template builder that I made, but it crashed when I loaded it to this website. Like because it refreshed the page every time you change something. So that's something I have locally still that I have never like published. But you were able to like make a build and then link it to somebody. It was a while back. It's on my to-do list. Look, coming soon. Like coming soon was like a year ago. But it's there. We'll get it eventually. If people stop making me do scripts and instead we work on a website, you sons of bitches. All right. You got the color lights to work. You need codes. Perfect. Hopefully that helps. Razor hue list. And by the way, this was the starting items. If you ever wanted to like see how you can maximize your starting items. Although they probably changed by now. Anyway. So what can we do to make this little begging script better? Or shall we move on? Real Boo Whip, are you still here? The whip. You want to walk around and beg. Done. Beg and move on. Done. Target closest. Kind of done. Done, done, done. Check for line of sight. Good enough. Done. Ultimate begging script. UO Outlands. Doing it live. Oop, pardon me. Pardon. Pardon me again. Oh, goodness. The dinner I haven't eaten yet is coming up. We need to clear the friends list to use it again the next day. Oh, shit. Thormac with the correct questions. You would want to clear it. We could add a timer around it, and if like a certain timer goes by, just automatically clear it. Does that sound good? Because I assume there's a hotkey to clear it. Let's look. Let's look. That's a great catch, Thormac. Clear? Friends list? Friends? Remove? Maybe you have to actually click it yourself. I've never done this before. So like clear list. Let's see if there's a clear list. No. You might have to click a button. You might actually have to play the game. You might have to come here and click clear list. Just add a prompt for when you run it, asking if you want to clear it for today. Oh shit, Fastbucks, that's a great idea. I don't know if we can clear it from the code though. So we had the check, what was it called? Add target to ignore NPCs. Let's see if there's like a remove target. Hotkeys, remove. No. Add target to clear target queue? No. Clear friends? No, friend? Yeah, we might have to click that manually. Doesn't that suck? Wait a minute, it didn't save my change? Son of a bitch, I just typed out a cool name for this thing and it didn't save? Ultimate begging script. Yeah, click manually? Forget this shit. I'm gonna log off now. Yeah, I wanted to save that thing and I wanted to get the link of my stream and post it in there. That way I can market myself. I'm doing it live. There. So the requirements are requirements. You have to add a friends list. Make a friends list called ignore NPCs. And then what did we do over on that screen? We said enable it. Make sure enabled is checkmarked. Make sure next previous target ignores friends is checkmarked. Boom. That looks good. Right? You guys happy with that? And then we're gonna have to manually clear out the list. Semi-ultimate? Less than ultimate. Yeah, by the way, welcome to Outlands. Hello. And how much gold could you make with this? I have no clue. And it's not confusing. It's a sandbox game. You get to do whatever you want. Let's see. Tragalicious, Script Daddy. Tragalicious, how are you? The Commando. How long should I pause between doing something that triggers a system message and using instance message for checking it? Technically, you should wait till your server ping. You know what I mean? So like waiting. I'm gonna give you an ultimate tip. If you click scripts, like if you go into here, like this is what I'm doing to check for in-system message you have been given. Technically, we talked about it being 5 seconds. So I'm looping 10 times, waiting half a second each. And so if it's less than 5 seconds, if it comes back sooner than that, we are covered. You know what I mean? So I'm not waiting unnecessarily. So I do that with a miner script as well. When we're mining, ultimate miner, I do the same thing. I'm using the main hand, and then I'm waiting a minimal amount of time, and then I'm looping for 30, right? And I wait a little bit longer. So my first wait is only half a second, and then it loops again, you know, a fourth of a second later, and keeps looping until it's done. That way I check the in-system messages as quickly as possible. Does that make sense? Commando? The Commando? I like for loops and then trying to like make a small check over and over again. Like somebody had asked me in the scripts channel, like why do I use wait for target? It's slow, I should use wait instead. And my counter argument is you want to wait for target, but then give it a timeout. So like if you're doing an action where you like just wait for target or wait for target, the full text, that defaults to 30 seconds. So what I do is I normally say like wait for target half a second, right? That way I'm only waiting for the target. Either it's going to come back before the 500, or if 500 happens, then it never matters. I never got the target. I'm trying to write a script that does next unfriendly player, but it doesn't find one. Closest unfriendly monster. Oh, you're trying to like combine the like finding a murderer near you, and if not, then target the monster. You wild beast. We technically could have added that into our ultimate majory bot guy, but we didn't. The problem with that, like, is it's gonna reset your target. So unless you're casting on like a target that's set to a variable, it's every time you do the selection, your last target might change. Nalco, are you in on the dev of the new Razor? No. I'm not a dev. I'm just a nerd with a passion. I wrote some stuff to set up last night while the spell cursor's up, but it's kind of tricky getting some issues to avoid the problem you're talking about. Yeah. I'm a lowly web dev. That's true. One day I'll get my big boy pants on and I'll make like an actual application. Maybe. Or maybe I'll just stick with bots, like shared chat. Somebody buy shared chat, please. Streamlabs, Stream Elements, you listening? I need your help. Save me. Dude, just ride the DevOps wave and stack cache. I hate server stuff with a passion, dude. I fucking hate it. Like, networking, server maintenance, like anytime my computer breaks or if I have to change a part, that's like my kryptonite. I can't. I hate it. Ask him about themes. Yeah, I tried to go the consultant route of like help people with like WordPress websites, but I'm a real developer, and so using WordPress like fucking pains me as well. Like that's my other kryptonite, is when someone wants help with their WordPress website. I'm like, oh, no. No, I can't help you with your computer, and no, I can't help you with your theme. Do you like programming because you're a lazy guy? Yes. I love programming because I'm lazy. I spend more time trying to not be lazy. Wait, I spend more time trying to be lazy. Consumer-friendly middleware destroys the ability to troubleshoot. Yeah, true. Hey, can you help me with my email? Exactly. No. All right, anyway, to answer the question about how much money can you make begging, we made 40 gold in the last 48 minutes. So probably not the best way to make gold. But we're gonna hit B here, and we're gonna see if it's working. It is spamming the shit out of the game. I like it. We got the goods, it's time to move on. I mean, so technically, look at that. So we're up to 50 gold now. That's a fire ant. I don't care about a fire ant. So we get 5 gold per turn. So technically, if you get 5 gold, I'm not a math person either, but if you want to do the math here, you're getting 5 gold per person, and it takes 5 seconds to beg. So you're making a gold per second. That doesn't seem like a lot of money. You know? I mean, it's cool though. Until you add it up. Exactly. And then you just earn enough. You just earn 1,000 gold, and then you come here and you spend it on this. You do not have enough gold in your bank box to purchase that. That's depressing. Ooh, look, so this is a target can't be seen issue. So good luck there. Alright, good enough. You know what happens when we finish the script, right, gang? Outlands Razor won't let me target closest friend. Oh yeah, you can't target players. The nearest or closest doesn't work. It's disabled for any player objects. Yeah, 2-2. Here comes the loot. Let's see if I have something cool to give away over here. In this guy's bank box. Let's see. I got some doubloons. I got a chest full of people. I got a chest full of chests. I got a bag full of people. I got another bag full of people. I'm hoarding people in my bank. It's a hoarder bank box. Exactly. We should make a like a ship giveaway. I have no clue. I have no clue if these are any good or not. But we're gonna toss them in, and you guys are gonna get some ship mates. Okay? Congratulations. I don't know if these are good or bad, because I don't ever boat. So we're gonna do a boat giveaway thingy. You're gonna get some fish. You're gonna get a harpoon. And you're gonna get the gold that we begged. Congratulations. This is, I don't know how much this is worth. This could be worth 10 cents. Or it could be worth 100K. I have no clue. Oh, I should put some doubloons in there too, huh? Let me do that real quick. You don't have to keep them. You can let them go. No. Is it like 5,000? Are these heavy? I don't even know. They're not. Perfect. And a fucking fishing pole. Exactly. Wait, do you want a fishing pole? Yeah. Let's add it in. Boom. You're set. You guys are set for the ocean. Where are we going? Well, we're heading to the Jaseowns coding cave. Did Owen add a sign yet? Where's my signage? I don't see any sign here, Owen. Slacker. Alright, on the Jaseowns stream, we do a giveaway. And it's not just any giveaway. It's a RazorScript giveaway. How do you enter a RazorScript giveaway, Jace? Well, first I have to collect your data. And I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. So like 2 minutes, it's pretty good. And for this first minute, I'm not even gonna bother you. Like we're just chilling, we're just chatting. If you wanna hit it, we can hit it. If you wanna enter, you can enter. You can type in the chat. You can not type in the chat. It's up to you. You can send emojis. I want to hit it. JC. Yeah. Hey, Meat Wallet. I would like to hit it as well. What a great name. Meat Wallet. Whew. Toot toot. Here comes some loot. And it's again, I don't even know if this is worth anything. But guess what? Someone's gonna walk away with this. You have 1 minute to enter. So if you haven't entered now, you have 1 minute to do so. So chances are, if you're just sitting around, you're missing out on this great chest full of goodies that we have no clue how much it's worth. How do you enter, Jay? So you gotta type quickly into the chat because you're running out of time. Okay, there's 45 seconds left. We're gonna find out how many people have entered at 30 seconds. And then we're gonna find out who is entered after that. Because you gotta type quick. Okay, we got 35 seconds to go. And if you're not in, if you don't see your name, then you're not in the chat. You're not in. We got 30 seconds to go. We have 32 participants so far. Okay, you gotta type quick. I'm gonna enter this one too. I'm gonna enter it in. I'm gonna go ahead and enter myself in. Because maybe I wanna go in the ocean. Maybe I wanna have some fun in the sun, okay? Maybe I wanna get a life vest. Maybe I wanna go on a cruise. So, I don't want to do that. Okay, and we've closed the entries. Hurricane is now following. Thank you for the follow. Nicole, don't get your hopes up. Okay, so what we've done is we've collected your information, and I'm gonna sell it to the highest bidder. But meanwhile, we're gonna filter our scripts by giveaway. We're gonna pop this open. And what I've done is I've taken everyone that's entered and I put you into a list. A RazorScript list. Because on a Jaseowns stream, we use a RazorScript to give away the loot. And there's no way it's rigged, everybody. There's no way. Because it's a script inside the game. We can't rig it at all. Who's ready? I think I'm ready. Here we go. I have not unlocked this emote. Doing the Jaseowns giveaway. Toot toot. Who's gonna get the loot for a wooden chest of 18 items? And the winner is YouTube T.W. Who the hell's that? T.W. You have beaten out. Actually, to be fair, I did just rig it. I rigged it, guys. We're gonna have to redo it. TW, you win this chest. But we're gonna run another one because I said 33 participants. No one caught the bug. No one caught the bug. So it cut off these lovely folks here. So you guys didn't get in. So we're gonna have to rerun that. But I'm still gonna set you as a winner, TW. Congratulations. Actually, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna run another one for the people that got cut off. Just for you guys. Just kidding, we're gonna run a whole nother list. I'm sorry. This is what happens. Production quality. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You guys decide. What should we do? Should we re-roll whole name? Or should we just get the people that missed? Winner, T.W. Reroll all. TW, you've entered 20 times? Why is that name not familiar? Why have I not even noticed your name before? TW, do you just tap during the... Do you ever just type? Have you ever asked a question? Because TW, it did not sound familiar. But you've been here 20 times. Yeah, but only on Twitch. Okay, there you go. Fair enough. He's here for the loot. The loot. Oh, okay, your runes 911. Okay, perfect. Or just give it to Meat Wallet. Okay, well, come on down to the coding cave, runes 911. I don't know what your name is in game, but you have won this chest of goodies. We are gonna rerun this whole list with the correct participants, because I'm sorry about that. There was a bug. There is rigged. I could rig it by just hitting 1 here and it would select the first person, which would be JSpot. As a matter of fact, let's make sure that that's true. I'm gonna hit save and play. We're just doing this for fun. It should say JSpot, to be fair. And if it doesn't say JSpot, then this whole thing's fucking rigged. And the winner is JSpot. Okay, cool. So the good news is I can rig it, but you guys would be able to see that. It seems like I need to make that dynamic. Exactly. I definitely need to make this dynamic. It's currently hard-coded. Need to make it dynamic. Look at this. It even has a note to myself to fix this one day. When I win tonight, I'll be Jason's sponsor so he can quit his job and make the full-time UO. Oh my god. Do it. I'll be your slave, Kilgory. I'll do whatever you want. My internet exploded, so we can't even go to the coding cave for a spin. Oh no. It's 38, you wrote 36. Exactly, because there was 36 participants. Number 1 and number 2 are the giveaway crate. So great catch, Jeremy's. But 36 is accurate. Right? We're gonna rerun this real quick. And you guys will get like 20k or something. I don't know. We'll give you something. We'll give you these pants. Let's see who wins the actual giveaway. iOS in game. All right, thank you. All right, come on over here. So 2-2, who's gonna win this loot? Twitch Statlord 3 has won the next giveaway. This Aos guy has won this lovely chest of I don't know how much it's worth. Statlord, you've won some pants. I'll get you something different though. What do you want, Statlord? Do you want doubloons? Or do you want a gold check? Or do you want just pants? Statlord has won. Winner, I'm gonna set you as a winner over there. What was your actual full name though? Twitch Statlord 3. Winner, Statlord 3. Oh my god, Statlord 3 is a script god. With 1 entry and 1 win, he's undefeated. Congratulations, Statlord 3. You pick your prize, sir. Do you want doubloons, a gold check, or pants? Drubaka. Sorry, sir. Your 16 entries, no wins. Statlord 3, are you here? Did he run away? It's technically 2 entries if you count the reroll. Ah, fair enough. I see what you did there, Thormac, but it doesn't. The only time the entries count is when I gather your names. Ham Killer, what's up? What's funny, like, okay, I like people's names because like there's Ham Killer in the chat, and then there's Meat Wallet in the game. I feel like you guys are like soulmates. Maybe you're the same person, to be fair. But there's Ham Killer and Meat Wallet. The stream brings you guys together. Divine, thank you for the follow. I didn't see your full name. Good old Texas internet. Did it mess up? Am I buffering? Maybe it's not my internet, dude. Maybe it's your internet. You're not the same. Jeremy's Meat Wallet's my ex-wife. Super buffering? Is anyone else? Am I buffering for other people? Or is it just Bliggity? So many Texans on UO. Speaking of being a Texan, we're going to the Pone Star meetup in Oklahoma City on Wednesday. Not Wednesday. What the hell am I talking about? On Saturday. See, look, everyone's saying it's really smooth, Horfin Nougat, so I think it's your fault. It's Bliggity problems for sure. No buffering from Texas, exactly. Who's Statlord 3? Did you ever answer me what your name is and what you wanted? You gotta do it on your Statlord 3 on Twitch. You can't tell me in the game. I'm not gonna fall for that shit. That's like a noob streamer thing, you know? Only noob streamers fall for that. And that was only me on my first couple streams. I'm Statlord 3. I believe you, Meat Wallet. Now, if you could just confirm over there on Statlord 3. I won the thing. I will take all the money, please. Hello. This is tech support. Your Windows has a virus. And if you don't pay me with a Google gift card, I will shut off your computer. It's urgently that you urgently do this. Urgent. Do not redeem. Do not redeem. You guys ever see that that Kit Boga guy on Twitch who does the scam calls? I watched him before he was famous. We had a Discord chat together, and then he blew up, and I don't get to talk to him anymore. I can confirm. Just imagine Pimp Daddy Cool is short for Statlord 3. That makes sense. Hello, it's live hot girls in your country. It's city, okay? Yeah, I talked to him. I wanted to collaborate with him on something way back in the day, like 6 years ago. It didn't work out. But he's doing very well. My internet exploded again. At least I can see direct from the phone. We already made the script to check the distance with NPCs in the cities. Tentacle 03, we did. We used begging though. So you wanted it. God damn it. Is it Tentacle 3? You wanted the one with stealth though, right? You wanted like stealing. Right? Tentacles 03? You actually asked before I had to end the stream, so this is great. Because we can do that now. By the way, Statlord 3 is not responding in Twitch chat. So we're gonna have to move on. He won pants, technically, according to the screenshot. But we'll give him a prize if he shows up. Pimp Daddy Cool. You'll take the pants? Alright, you want the pants here. Where you at? It's a 24-hour hold. I'll hold my pants for 24 hours. But if not, You're Meat Wallet, right? Marraider 7? Marraider 7? Thank you for the follow. Is there a script that will display the monster's poison ticks left over my head so I know exactly when to poison spike? Yes. I don't play a poisoner, so I don't know. But you can use get label. I like your pants. Those are some nice looking pants. They're even blessed. All right. I'm just gonna log off this character. We're gonna log on Lipo. Lipo was our thief. This is what started us streaming. Lipo. I don't know if anybody remembers. But this is what started it all. This movie, this music is so funky. This music needs to be replaced by some other music. But again, I'm too lazy to find some music that I can play on YouTube. So I'm a thief on this character, by the way, everybody. You gotta watch out. Oh, that guy heard me. How about this guy? He's very green. He has a very organized bag. I like this person's name, Jouse. He's a wandering house. Okay, Tentacle 03. What did you want to do? I forget. You wanted to know if we were X amount of things away from the nearest NPC, right? You just retyped what you said. Trixie. Delivering a candy corn. Just put it back in your bag. Haunted scarecrow. What the hell's all this shit? A hanging bat. Some cloth. The world's saving. It's busted. What are we doing? Are these all your thieving items? We're gonna go give this away now. Trixie, you're the best. I'm gonna slowly make my way over to the coding cave to give away some fancy stuff. Trixie, you're Nalco? God damn. You're rich. Oh, we're giving it away. I'm gonna add something to the Biggest Loser giveaway. I'm gonna quickly get out of here though before someone steals all my shit. There, we're safe. Oh my, I can't get by. Meat Wallet and Time Lord, you guys are blocking the fucking stairs. Thank you. Thank you, Time Lord. Okay. So we got 50 minutes to go. Tentacle 13 had the question 2 streams in a row now about wanting to know if you're 10 tiles away from the nearest NPC. And we didn't deliver 2 streams in a row. So we need to deliver. Funky Pirate, what did you miss? You've missed a lot. You've missed us making the ultimate gambling script, which I never posted to the website. We gave it away, but we didn't actually post it to the website. Sorry, I'm a bit lagged today. If I said something strange, ignore me. It's alright, Tentacle 3. We got you. Let's see, we got Val666 coming in. Oh my god, there's nostalgia right now. I missed this game. I haven't played since AOS and haven't even played with new fun. You should definitely try Outlands. This is uooutlands.com. uooutlands.com. It's probably the best server. When I first started here, I was upset because the map is different and the skills are different. And I was like, this isn't UO. And I was upset and I cried a little bit. And then I realized, wait a minute, this is better than UO. This is like UO on steroids. Like, this is like how UO should have been. Like, the next expansion of UO should have done exactly what Outlands is doing. And I've been playing this server for like almost 2 years now. They took UO and made it better than what UO has become. Exactly. Yeah, they took it the direction it should have gone. Like, they really did. They did a great job. Like, Owen, Lutheus, Expo, whoever's involved in this project, great job. Amazing. The quality of life stuff alone is awesome, but then you literally have made a game that is... the olden game maxed out once you max your character, in my opinion. Like, once you got GM everything, you're like, okay, cool, I win. With this game, there's so many of those little avenues for you to like build your guy to get him better that keeps you playing. Yeah, and Osai's been working on the legacy server for 2 years now? Exactly, yeah. Now don't get me wrong, there's other UO servers are fun, because I still play other ones too. You know, like there's Angel Islands, and there's the UO Forever, and there's UO... what's the other one that's like UO Renaissance? Like, those are all still fun, and I've played them all. And I still sometimes log into there just so I can get the old map back. But then I realized how many enhancements are on Outlands, and it's like, oh shit, okay, well, maybe I'll just go back over there. They all suck. Outlands or fuck yourself. Don't tempt me, okay? I'll do it. UR is dead. Yeah, I haven't to be fair, I haven't logged in UR in a long time. But UO Forever spawned a Sphere server. It's called Sphere. I really enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun, where you can cast while moving. I never thought I would like that, but that was really, really cool. But then Outlands brought me back. Yeah, Sphere PvP is fun. Yeah, it was really cool. It was a really interesting take on the game. I've never played that before, except for when that UO Forever Sphere launched. I can't remember what it's called. Overdrive. I was addicted to that for like 3 months. I kind of MIA'd on Outlands. But I'm back. Alright, we're just chatting now. I need to not just chat, I need to actually make a script. Slain 6-pack, guess nobody likes UO Alive. I don't think I played UO Alive. Is that the one that's PVM only? I need a little bit of mix of PK. Like, as much as I complain about like not being able to like PvP, I like the adrenaline of like having to run away. Is that the one where I see foreign people zoomed in 10x running groups, so like 10 back and forth? Exactly, Pimp Daddy. Yep, that's Sphere. Sphere. It's like all about line of sight. You gotta like dip in and dip out. It's kind of fun. Okay. We're gonna work on this script to make sure that we're within 10 tiles. What did I name it? Because I started working on it and then I didn't finish it. Does anyone remember the name? Why am I doing this? T-Hunter. Testy. Skinning. Load recall scrolls. Dance? Oh yeah, we were working on that dance script and I gave up on that too. Squirrel! Amish's bot, let's see. I know we started working on one. See how organized I am? Well, son of a bitch. Hang script? Code cave. Corpsey? Oh, here, while we're here, I'm gonna give you guys an example. Val666, thank you for the follow. Also play UO Outlands. if you guys ever run into this situation where you're like, why the hell's my shit not highlighting correctly? Well, that's because you have a single quote somewhere. Okay, so in this example, everything's fine up to here, blood moss, mandrake root. But when I go over here, I see spider silk, and there's a hanging little quote. The script will run fine, but the highlighter breaks. So how do you fix that, Jace? Technically, you should not care. But if you do care, you want to remove this quote by making another quote somewhere else. Which seems silly, but you should. And you could do something stupid like just count it again. Okay? And so then it will just break what's in between the two things. So the rest of the code will highlight fine then. Does that make sense? Like you need an opening and a closing quote for your highlighter to work. So like right here, I only break it right here so I don't have to like look at it. Trips of the trade. So like sometimes somebody will say a comment like this, like, hey guys, what's up? Right? And you save that, and then when you paste it in, it busts. Okay, see how it breaks? So I could fix that by saying like, nothing, how about you? And then put a quote there. And when I paste it in, now it's correct again. It highlights weird in between the two quotes. Anyway. As you can see, I'm totally dodging the thing I'm supposed to be working on. It's just like work. Tentacle 13, I'm sorry. You're like my employer now. I'm gonna I'm gonna do everything else but what I should be working on. Okay. We're doing it. Stooping, stealing, hiding. We started working on it. I'm trying to find where we started. I never posted this. Let me do that real quick. Squirrel. What website are you posting it to, Jace? UO or RazorScripts.com. I'm gonna click over here. I'm gonna click Add Script. We're gonna paste the begging script in there. Begging. That's called the Ultimate Begging Script. And this was on the stream. It was a question, and it was called the Boo Whip, right? Boo Whip got that? The real Boo Whip? We'll just call it a bot as well. Boom. Alright, so if anyone was interested in using the begging script, there it is. And now we're up to 269 scripts. Not bad. Okay. So we're gonna do it for real now. We're gonna do it, I swear. Check range nearest NPC? So check range nearest NPC? And I'm gonna step out of the coding cave. We're gonna be over here next to Wanda. And it was target next monster. I swear you did this already. I started working on it, and then I didn't save it, or I don't know where I put it. Oh shit, is it named target, like closest target? Target helper? No. Target last. I definitely started working on it, Nalco, but then we never finished it, and I ran out of time. But Slain Six-Pack, yeah, we're gonna check the range to our target. We're gonna check the... What was the damn question? The damn question was, is there an NPC within 10 tiles? Right? Or is it a target within 10 tiles? Let's do the target first, because that's going to be easier for my brain. We're going to say set var. Now we're just going to do greater than info on Wanda here, because we want to see Wanda. We're going to take her serial ID. So we're going to set var. My target checker. Okay, if we save and play this, it's basically just setting a variable called my target checker to Wanda. Okay, and then we want to know the range of her. So what we can do is if find my target checker on the ground of any hue, any quantity within the range of 1 tile, overhead, near, 1 tile near. Okay, and then we're going to do else if. And we'll switch it to 2. 2 tile is near. And then we'll do this again with 3. 3. And then we'll go 4. I know this is programming. It's kind of boring. I'm sorry, everyone. Look at me dance while I program. This is fun, right? You guys are having fun. Damn it. You're having fun, right? 1 in the chat if you're having fun. 2 in the chat if you're not. And if you're not, then fuck you. Tell me what you want to do. I'm not looking at chat right now, though. I'm busy programming. 3 Merlets. God damn it. Thanks, Funky Pirate. Shyburn just joined in. What are we scripting? We are doing a request that I've dodged now for 3 streams in a row. We wanted to know if we're 10 tiles near a target. Else, overhead, farther than 10, 34, and if, and then we're just gonna loop this bad boy. We're gonna wait 500 milliseconds. So I'm gonna hit save and I'm gonna hit play. 3 tiles near. We're 3 tiles near Wanda. 2, 1. Okay, so as you can see, the world is saving. So we're 4, we're 8, we're 10. We're farther than 10 here. We did it. We did it. Does this answer your question to the guy that wanted to know? Is this the script we wanted? Is this what we're here for? Tentacle 013. Is he even here 3 streams later? He's come to every stream to ask me. Yes, he's here. It's Tentacle 013. He just typed and he said he's having fun. So thank you. But you have to know the NPC personally. Can you do binary, aka vulnerable? You can. But I don't remember what he was asking. I think he wanted to know if he could steal. If like, because you have to be a certain amount of tiles away from someone in order to steal without being... Let's see. So that interferes with the last target, or when you want to target something out of someone's bag. You would... Ideally, you want to find what you want to steal first. Because you would want to set the thing you're stealing as a variable. And then you could run another script that's checking and resetting your last target to the mobs that are near. Gux asked earlier, is there a way to call a script from another and then back to the original one again, like a function procedure? Yes and no. I mean, you can only have one script running at a time, and so like Joe had said, you can kick off another script, but then that script will stop, and so you can't just like return back to where you were unless you like set up variables or lists or timers and shit like that. Dark Horse. Hi, Jace. Hope you're having a good stream. Just hop back on. Welcome back, Dark Horse. Did you bring pizza? I'm hungry. I didn't eat dinner. I'm hungry. You gotta be hungry. How about it cycles and always gives a target's name overhead? Twain, what are we scripting tonight? We are scripting, so Sheba and Twain both asking what we're scripting. We covered an auto beggar script. We did that. I took a poll of we were going to work on the website or the game, and then I ignored chat. Because technically website won, but then we started working on scripts, and here we are. We're an hour and a half in. We didn't touch the website. Lormax off to bed. Later, man. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you stopping by. I'll see you on Saturday. Right? Coming? In spirit? So you can walk around and get the name or whatever within 10 tiles overhead. You're not going to be at the meetup? Okay. So let's see. Could it be done without using the target? I'm very clumsy. I'm sure I'll try to put Wanda in my backpack. So we can't automatically find an item using a player, but like, let me put some of the, let's give this away, this haunted scarecrow away, and then we'll try to steal some shit from someone. Does anyone want a haunted scarecrow? Do I have a tutorial on Gump menus? I do, kind of. Yeah, I actually do. It's the blacksmithing one that I did like way back in the day. It's like 30 minutes long. It's probably my longest video that I ever did. I cover Gumps in very good detail in my blacksmithing video. But we could cover it again real quick too. Are you the guy that keeps asking me for gardening? Because everyone asks me for gardening as well. I haven't done gardening yet, and I feel like I get asked that a lot too. It makes a sound when walking by? Well, I'm gonna keep that shit then. Just kidding. We're giving it away. We're doing a giveaway. It's a 2-minute giveaway. You can take your time entering. No rush. You know? Nalco, you gave it to me and I'm gonna give it away. There's no rush. You guys. You got 2 minutes. That's a lot of time. So you really should just take your time. You don't really need to rush. This is a nice stream where we just wait. You guys are typing quick in the chat, and it's giving me anxiety. So I'm gonna calm it down. We're gonna just take our time, and we're gonna slowly enter the giveaway. You guys are typing quick, and you're driving me crazy. Give Scarecrow peace. Happy little trees. There's to rush or not to rush. We're about to rush. Okay, we're about to kick it into overdrive because you have 1 minute left to join this giveaway. We are giving away a scarecrow. A scarecrow? Scarecrow. Okay? This scarecrow is a haunted scarecrow. It actually moves and lights up. It actually deposits gold into your bank account every 15 seconds, I think. I don't know. Nalco might be making that up. Okay, we're not giving away food, we're giving away a haunted scarecrow, and you have 40 seconds left to join this giveaway. If you don't see your name on the screen, that means you're not entered, okay? You gotta talk nice to the bot. You have to say, hey, bot, I would like to enter this giveaway. If you haven't entered the giveaway before, you just type into the chat. You can say !join, that totally works, or you can say, hey Jace, I'd like to enter the giveaway. There's 20 seconds left. We did a nice intro into the 2 minutes, and now you have 18 seconds left. Hey bot, I'd like to get in the giveaway. Sing fan, 100% entered. Look at that, his name's showing up on the list. Chris is showing up just in the nick of time. We got 5 seconds left. Tree Fitty's in. We got 31 participants. Congratulations. Dark Horse, you were too slow on Twitch. Destination, I will take thee. Oh shit, that was the old way to make money. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna say giveaway. Congratulations to the, how many participants was it? I can't remember. Maybe I should just say 1 in the total giveaway and rig the shit. Just kidding, it was 31. See, you guys need to QA my shit, okay? 31 participants are in here to get a haunted scarecrow. We only have one true fan in here, Purplet. He's spinning to win. I hope you win, Purplet. Oh, we got a Ouija board. Okay, we got a couple more spinners to winners. All right, we're gonna hit save and play. Good luck. Doing the Jaseowns giveaway. Toot toot. Who's gonna get the loot for a haunted scarecrow? And the winner is Tree Fitty. Tree Fitty on Twitch. Tree Fitty on the Twitch. Congratulations. I'm having a stroke. Winner. Tree Fitty T. Let's see how many. You've had 17 entries, 2 wins. Congratulations. You've won a haunted scarecrow, which seems cool. Sponsored by Nalco, aka I can't remember your character name. It started with a T, right? Twain? Can't remember. You stopped mining for that scarecrow. Kilgory. Oh, Trixie. It did start with a T. God, I'm so good. It's the small things in life that you got to celebrate, you know? Like when you remembered a name started with a letter. On my way. Scam Likely. Jesus, what a name. Scam Likely. Well, let's, while we're waiting for Scam Likely. Oh wait, they're here. Boom. Congratulations on your victory. Haruki 7049. Thank you for the follow. We're gonna do greater than info on this thing. What the hell is this? These are bats, hanging bats. I don't know if I actually delivered on the script for the checking nearest or not, but we're gonna give some stuff away because this is what I do on my stream. We answer questions and we give shit away. It's another nice, just slow entry to win the hanging bats. You just type something. We have JSpot and shared chat on YouTube being the first to enter. On Twitch, shared chat was slow for some reason. You just type. You just type something like, hey, I like bats. Or, oh no, bats scare me. I'm logging off. Or, hey, free city bats near you. Loot, loot, toot, toot. I like that. Toot, toot. Give me some loot. As a matter of fact, I scrolled down here to the very end. These are some of the notes of my very first stream. And I wanted to toot, toot, he got the loot. And then I also wanted to say Dora the Explorer during a map steal. So I wanted to say, if I stole a map, I would say something about Dora the Explorer. I wanted to add a yoink noise, kind of like Pwnstar did. Chat inside the stream, checkmark. Failed loot noise. I haven't hit my stream deck, it's collecting dust over here. A Whataburger unboxing. And a schedule, checkmark. Man, we have dominated our list of streaming items. Which, by the way, you only have 30 seconds left. If you haven't entered, you need to enter now. Like, hey, I'm screaming for the people in the back that are asleep. You have to wake up. You got 20 seconds. You need to enter the giveaway. If you're not typing into the thing now, you're going to miss out on these bats. The bats. Enter. You were sleeping. Wake up. You got 10 seconds. Look, I got 2 people. Bats. You got 8 seconds. There's bats. We got a few more people. We got a couple of the sleepers. We got a couple of the sleepers. So So we're gonna take that list of names. I'm sorry that I wasn't more energetic there. I'm starting to run low on fuel. We have 28 participants. I'm gonna update that number to 28. I'm gonna hit save, I'm gonna hit play. Good luck on your bats victory. You need more coffee, clearly. So true. Toot toot, who's gonna win the loot? A hanging bat. And the winner is Twitch Wizard NJ. Congratulations to Twitch winner and Twitch Wizard NJ. Wizard NJ. You have, wow, you're not bad on the ratio here. You got 6 entries with 2 wins. Congratulations. If you'd like to know how many times you've entered and lost, type wins. If you want to know how many times you've won, type wins in the chat. Exclamation mark wins. You're already here. You knew it was, you were due. Dekion. Congratulations. Merlis has no wins. Let's see. None. Kilgore, 30 entries, 1 win. So close, yet so far. Marauder 7's only had 1 entry so far. Ouija, 3. What? Says Dr. Dyrus. Okay. We're gonna close this. We're gonna get back to the target closest. I just needed to give some loot away so that I didn't feel as bad when we lost it. I need a horse. With the win percent like that, you don't feel very good about the lottery or the Powerball? Yeah. Don't worry, I'm 0 for 1,000 for the Powerball. Not 1,000, but you know, over the course of the lifetime. Yeah, Kilgore dominated when we first started. And then then I rigged it to not let you win because you were too powerful. It was not fun for everybody else. I had complaints that Kilgore was ruining the game for everyone. So I had to rig it in our favor. Is the candy corn worth anything now? Is the candy corn pointless? I've never played IRL Lottery. I probably should at some point. You probably should. You can't win if you don't play, you know? But also you probably won't win, right? So it's kind of like catch-22. Who's smarter? The person that plays and doesn't win, or the person that never plays and never wins? You know? Until next year, candy corn will work again next year. Okay, interesting. Okay, so back to our script here. I was manually checking Wanda, right? We don't want to manually check Wanda. We want to check based on the script that we basically did for begging, which is funny. Because we want to target the next invulnerable person. So I'm actually going to go to the ultimate beggar. And I'm going to take what we've done there. We're going to just copy this whole damn thing. And we're going to paste it in this whole damn thing. Wait, this is ultimate beggar. I want to go back to target nearest. Oh no, our music stopped. Play. It's on the list. Someone's gonna win. If you don't play, you don't win. Exactly. It's never gonna be you unless you buy a ticket. It's $2, you know? Might as well. It's just like buying a lottery ticket in the game. I always buy a ticket each week. I buy a ticket, maybe a couple tickets. It's much easier in the game though. I wish I could just, you know, recall to the corner store and say, vendor buy, and then just recall home. You gotta get out of your car. That's annoying. You have to manually play real life, you know? You bought 238 and still lost in the game? Yeah. That's a lot of tickets. What is this? A forest ostrich? Aw. Thank you. Thank you, gorilla. Wait, is that you? Vanilla gorilla? Gorilla? What else are you gonna do with that gold? That's true. Gold is for lottery tickets. I like your style. And res fees. I'm not a murderer. Okay, stop. You guys are distracting me. I'm trying. Treasure goblin. No, I want. Check range. Paste. There we go. So my target checker. Boom. We've named the name a little bit weirder, but it's okay. Okay, so if we target that and we say the Nodo is invulnerable, that means we're near them. So if they're invulnerable, that means it's an NPC and we want to check them. And if. Else. Replay. Okay, and then now what we want to do is we want to do this check here. Because then we're near tiles. If we're farther away than 10, overhead, like we could steal here. So this means we can steal. Because we're farther away than 10. If not, then we can't. So technically we want to keep replaying. So we'll stop the script if we can steal. Which doesn't help us. Because this next monster might be out of the range. Trying to think. Because basically what we want to do is we want to loop all the creatures that are nearby, add them to the friends list. Because if they're out of 10 tiles, then that means we can ignore them. I feel like this script is more confusing than it's helpful. I'm not a town thief though, so this doesn't make much sense to me. Because like technically I just want to steal anyway, right? Like I just want to steal. So like right here, are these guys 10 tiles away or not? The way I could check is just open this up and then hover over his name. Oh, I'm hiding my screen here. We're thinking out loud. So like he's 9 tiles away, right? From where he's standing. So now he's 10 tiles away. And that guy's 10 tiles away. I'm range checking. The other thing you could do is if you're gonna be a thief, you could mess with your interface. Where the hell is the draw? Is it under graphics? Light level. There's a way to like make your screen gray. Where the hell is that? You guys know what I'm talking about? I'm looking. I'm thinking. I'm running out of time. And maybe it was on a different client. Maybe it's not on Outlands. Lock game window resizing. No. Zoom. Don't care. Upscale graphics when zoomed in, don't care. Lights, don't care. Enable desk screen, black and white. Or on mouse target. Shadows. There's a, so, and maybe this was again a different server, but you could set a radius around your character and it would gray out everything beyond that radius. Like you wouldn't be able to see it anymore. It was like your zoom level, but zoom level here is different. It's general. Enable pathfinding, highlight game object, blah blah blah. Skipped empty corpses, no. Easy grab, blah. Mobiles. Hide equipment, let's see. Circle of transparency. Generic no color for object out of range. Where's that at? Is that under general? Highlight game objects. Oh, no color for object out of range. Okay, shit. Okay, so that helps a little bit. But what's that max range? That, I feel like that's far. That's 18 tiles away. I felt like there's a way to like minimize that. I thought you could set it to 10 tiles. That way you knew who to, where you could cast. And again, maybe that's a different server. Corpse open range, blah, blah, blah. I mean, technically, I wanted to, now I was trying to make the screen shrink to 10 tiles. That way we can only see things in 10 tiles. Min-max update range, where's that at? Riley UO. It's in the UO macros? Decrease update range. Oh my god, you're amazing. Let's see. Great macro button. Testy. Oh, you can't go less than 18. And if I increase, I'm assuming it will correctly where you at? Increase range. Come on. I just want to see if it actually works. Modify update range? Set update range to 10. Ah, it sets it at 18. We'll set it to 20. Bly. Yeah, okay, maybe that doesn't work at all. Alright, it was worth a shot. So the other thing we're going to do is we're actually going to use Razor. Because I'm pretty sure you can set a max range in Razor. So we're going to say options. And we're going to look around this together. Range check last target, 12 tiles. We can say 10 tiles. Here. Yeah? We'll say 9 tiles. And then if somebody's 10 tiles away, it should not find them. Okay, so we're gonna say range check, last target, 9 tiles. Do I save this somehow? Just click away? Sounds good. So if I hotkeys and I run the script that we just made, it shouldn't find anybody. Let's see, I wanna... So let's see, there's just a bowyer here, okay? And he's 9 tiles away. So this is 10 tiles. It shouldn't find him. Save, play. It selected Margaret. Who the hell's Margaret? I didn't even see that person. Where the hell's Margaret on the screen? Margaret's way down there. No, that's Martha. Margaret. How the hell did it find Margaret? Well, that didn't do what I thought it was gonna do. Oh, maybe that's the last target check. I see what you're saying. But see, this is the last target. This is going to be a great end of the stream. Just me thinking. Range check last target. That's the setting for when you attack someone, you want to hit them again? Interesting. I was hoping that this would be the actual, like, filter area. Let's see, additional options here. Let's see what these are. Auto stack, no. Block opening, no. Season, no. None of this matters, yo. All right, I'm gonna tell the guy that you want to know if you're within 10 tiles of a person. I can't help you. I'm letting you down. So you can't do that, but just finding within 10 tiles in a script. I mean, am I making this more complex than it needs to be? Instead of targeting the next monster, can I literally just say the fucking body type? Like, let's do this. Greater than info find. 400 and 401 is the body types of humans. I'm gonna be mad right now. I'm about to get mad. We got to get angry, Script Daddy. Hit find type. We're gonna say 400 or 401 on the ground of any hue, any quantity, within the range of 10. And we're gonna say as item. And if. And we're gonna say overhead item. We're actually gonna get label item description, and we're gonna overhead description. I'm gonna be a little bit upset. It should say Jaseows. Save, play. Jaseows the Prevalia Merchant. Jesus Christ. Okay. In range, be careful. Like, Jesus Christ. Is that it? I'm sorry, I'm cursing in the Lord's name in vain. But I'm upset. And that's what happens. Script Daddy comes home and he gets mad. In range, be careful. In range, be careful. Is he still in range? Is that real? 10 tiles. 10 tiles over here. But technically they're out of line of sight, but we shouldn't see a message. Ah. Well, these are guys. So like line of sight's a problem. Because technically this is like, yes, they're in range, but they're not in line of sight, right? So even though this is saying be careful, it's false. It's like a falsitude, right? Because technically you could steal right here because they can't see. Please say system message too far away is too far. Is that real? Because you could check. Well, no, because too far away is still too far away. It's like... This is starting to get wonderful. This is starting to get confusing. I got 3 minutes. while we do our last 3 minutes, I'm gonna do one last giveaway. I don't know what it's for yet. It might be for a rope, or it might be for something cooler. I don't know. Jace, thanks for the begging script. I didn't get to thank you early. Thank you for the great question to get us started on this wonderful Monday stream where nothing went wrong at all. Everything was totally fine. Did OBS crash? No. Did my sound not work when I first started the stream? No. Did I completely ignore chat when I asked her what should we work on today? No. Tickets to OCKC? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no, I already have my tickets. I'm even taking off Friday. I'm gonna leave Friday. I'm gonna drive up there. I'm not gonna fly, I'm gonna drive. Did we work on the website? No, exactly. Every time, pro streams only. Tell Nicole to give you more time. This is fun. I gotta eat some food. It's already 9 o'clock. I'm tired. I'm hungry. This daylight saving time thing technically like is terrible, right? Like now it's like 10 o'clock my time, but it's only 9 o'clock my time. But my body's like, fuck you, it's 10 o'clock, you know? And you didn't eat yet. You're hungry. You're hungry, bro. We got 30 seconds left and only 18 participants. You gotta type quick. If you're not here, you gotta type quick. Don't forget to enter the thing. Don't forget to enter. If you're not typing in, you don't get it. Louder for the people in the back. You got 15 seconds. The final giveaway of the stream. Because we gotta go night-night. We gotta go eat some nums. Did we remove the timer graphic? No. Of course not. Congratulations to those couple extra people that got in. I don't know what we're giving away. Let me grab it out of the bank. Thank you for the horse, by the way. Gorilla. Let's see. We got training credits to lipo. I don't think anybody wants that. Let's see. An Aegis Keep cloth? Sounds good. And whatever this is. What is this? A blood aspect focus eye. Congratulations. These are the giveaways. Bum, 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 bum. Now I gotta uncheck this terrible box around my character. Ripper's Sword of Thief Killing, an appropriate giveaway. Have you guys stand on the stairs? Rude. It's Pwn Star. Pwn Star Game. Is he live right now? Hey, Pwn Star. Don't let me win. I won't let you win, don't worry. I'm gonna rig it to not let you win. Okay, I'm gonna post this script over here that we have after this giveaway, and then I gotta go. There's obviously room for improvement. We got 21 people. We're gonna hit save, we're gonna hit play. The baby is awake and screaming. Toot toot. Who's gonna get the loot? Aegis Cloth. And the winner is YouTube Kilgory. YouTube Kilgory coming in. And he's already here. He's like, give me the victory. I think he's on to something here. Winner, Kilgory. On the YouTube. Congratulations, sir. Thank you, Jace. I appreciate your talents for my Outlands addiction. No problem. Thank you guys for hanging out. I am going to need to head out. But it's been a great stream. Oh, I didn't even give you this, Kilgory. You won both of these items. Congratulations. I don't even know what that's worth. Probably nothing. But I appreciate you guys hanging out. Don't forget to join the Discord if you haven't already. I'm going to hit the Discord button over here. Don't forget to, like, subscribe, smash the comments. We're gonna be in Oklahoma City on Friday, Saturday. So I don't think I'm gonna stream Friday, but I will be back Wednesday. Wednesday, 7 to 9. Thank you guys for the lovely stream. I'm gonna find somebody to raid. Unless someone just wants to shout someone out to raid in the chat. Where the hell's the end screen? Here it is. Oxford. Sounds good. Is it Oxford Gaming or just Oxford? Can't remember. Raid. Oxford. Boom. Look, I'm a real streamer now. I just have to type /raid. I've learned. It only took me 35 streams. Alright, cool. Well, thank you guys again for hanging out. I hope you have a great night. Happy Monday. I'll see you guys on Wednesday, 7 to 9. Peace.